Today we learn about the modal verb can. Can expresses ability in the present tense. It shows what people or things are able to do right now. Can is one of the most important helping verbs for beginners. Can always goes after the subject and before the main verb. For positive sentences, use subject plus can plus the main verb. I can play the violin. You can lift 100 pounds. She can read really well. They can dance. For negative sentences, use cannot or the short form cannot. I cannot drive a car. He cannot swim. You cannot lift that heavy box. We cannot speak French. Now practice filling in can or cannot. Look at the first sentence. She blank swim very well. Think about her ability. Next sentence. I blank speak French fluently. Consider if this is true for you. Last one. They blank play tennis after school. Decide if they have this ability. Pause and complete these sentences in your mind. Negative sentences with can use cannot or the short form cannot. Cannot goes after the subject and before the main verb. Remember these examples. I cannot drive a car. She cannot swim. You cannot lift that heavy box. We cannot speak French. Both cannot and cannot mean the same thing. Cannot is more formal. More practice sentences. My brother blank cook delicious meals. Think if he has cooking ability. Elephants blank fly like birds. Consider what animals can do. She blank solve difficult math problems. Decide her math ability. Take a moment to choose can or cannot for each sentence. Here are the correct answers. She can swim very well. My brother can cook delicious meals. Elephants cannot fly like birds. Check your answers. Notice how can shows ability and cannot shows no ability. These examples help you understand the difference clearly. Here is the complete summary. For affirmative sentences, use subject plus can plus main verb. I can swim. She can sing. For negative sentences, use subject plus cannot or cannot plus main verb. He cannot dance. We cannot fly. Now you understand how to use can for present ability perfectly.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.